To enable and use keyboard shortcut to change the keyboard language in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap physical keyboard. Tap change language shortcut. Here you are provided with 3 keyboard shortcuts that you can use to easily change the keyboard language. First, Shift and space. Second, Control and space. And the third, Left Alt and Shift. As the example, we will enable all the keyboard shortcuts. Now, connect a USB or Bluetooth keyboard with your phone. As the example, we will try with the USB keyboard. Now we will try to use the keyboard shortcut that we have enabled before to change the keyboard language. To do so, go to the screen or app where you can type something. As the example, we will search something on Google. You can see that the keyboard language is use English. Now, we will try to use the keyboard shortcut. The first shortcut, press the Shift and space key. You can see that doing the keyboard shortcut will change the keyboard language. Next, the second shortcut, press the Control and space key on your physical keyboard. The last one, the third shortcut, press the Left Alt and Shift keys on your physical keyboard to change the keyboard language. As we have seen how to enable and use the keyboard shortcut to change the keyboard language, you can enable all of the keyboard shortcut or just the one that you feel the most comfortable to use with. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.